Hi friends, my name is Manoj Pawar and welcome to my channel Safety Wallet. Again I come up with new topic, National Safety Week 2021. How to celebrate it? Already previously I have prepared part 1 and now today I am going to prepare part 2. I really want to apologize that in previous part there was an error. This is 50th National Safety Week. Previously I have mentioned 49th National Safety Week. Sorry for that. As far as concerned to this today's topic, we are going to discuss about micro level planning, how to celebrate National Safety Week. But in previous part, who are not yet seen, please visit to my previous part so that you will be able to understood what is the pre-planning of National Safety Week celebration 2021. In previous part, I have mentioned a written document where how to prepare policy and procedure document. Then I had discussed on what are the approaches, what is the start approach, coach approach, what are the construction management elements, and what are the 5 major categories to celebrate or to initiate the National Safety Week celebration 2021 at your site. So whatever I have discussed, that 5 major categories, first major category is engineering measures or engineering initiatives, second one non-engineering initiatives, third one social activities, then awareness campaign, and then final we can see rewards and recognition. Till now who are not like, subscribe and comment, please subscribe my channel. As far as concerned to the 5 major categories, first category is engineering initiatives. What do you think? What kind of engineering initiatives you are going to take in your site during this National Safety Week celebration? First, you please keep in mind, in your site, in your EHS plan, there are standard operating procedure. In standard operating procedure, at least you consider 10 major categories, major activities where major hazards are available. These major activities you have to prepare again in a bold letter, and there you have to initiate the engineering controls whether these 10 major activities are in place or not. Accordingly, you ensure engineering control for each activity as per standard operating procedure. Second topic, mechanical integrity. Mechanical integrity or asset integrity. As far as concerned to your site, there are equipment and machineries, there is a instrumentation part, there is electrical kind of connections, then scaffolding, tools and tackles, and then again a very important at the end, personal protective equipment, PPE. As far as concerned to the mechanical integrity with respect to equipment machineries, you have to check and ensure all construction equipment which are backhoe loader, then Farana F15 crane, then telescopic beam boom crane, tower cranes, crawling cranes. Then you can consider that machines like a bar bending, cutting, drilling machine, grinding, power tools, all guards where are in place or not, transport vehicles, then where you are in metros, that launching rudder box, accessories. These are some examples I have told you. Whatever the machineries which is applicable to your site, please check all mechanical integrity with respect to your equipments and machineries. Now next, second part, instrumentation. As far as concerned to the instrumentation, you see in all your equipments where are the pressure gauges are applicable, temperature gauges are applicable, where overload indicators, overhoist, speedometers in vehicles, these type of instrumentation part, whether all are in working condition, all are in good condition, that you have to ensure. As far as concerned to the third one, that electrical connection, electrical network in your construction site is a highly hazardous kind of network or highly hazardous kind of activity. So in this electrical, you have to check whether that panel is IP44 panel, or whether that whatever the sub distribution box or main panel you have installed in your site, whether it is in good condition or not. You have to check specifically RCCB, ELCB, MCB, whether earth mats are in place or not, whether all the joints, that cable joints what you are given, whether it is in good condition or not, then all plug top sockets, then female sockets, male sockets, that you have to check whether it is in good condition or not, then all wire conditions you have to check, all wire laid at the site, whether height has been maintained or not, then canopy we have installed in the on the panel, that sub distribution box panels in the construction site which is in open places and where there is a possibility of getting shower, the rain or water on that sub distribution box, their canopy available or not, that you have to ensure. Then all portable lamps, their conditions, and emergency torches, which all are electrical kind of equipments, connections, then network, whether it is in good condition or not, that you have to ensure. Then another very important topic in your site, that is scaffolding. All health checkup of scaffolding components, is there okay or not, as well as there sufficient quantity at your site is available or not, that you have to check. All tools and tackles, that is the next point in engineering initiatives, you have to check, as everybody is doing that third party inspection. Okay, that is, it is in place as per legal requirements, but from your end, with the help of cross functional team, that is a mechanical team, you have to check that tools and tackles which is in good condition or not. And the final, personal protective equipment, all equipments we have to check whether it is in healthy condition, or if it is not there, then you have to discard the PPEs. So all these mechanical integrity related points what I told, you have to prepare statistical data, and as far as concerned to the statistical data, you have to prepare a statistical analysis and you have to highlight to the management, so that management can come and they can help us to repair it, to support it, and we can make it in a very healthy condition. And then C, that is engineering measures. One is the last one, major site concerns. You have to check major site unsafe conditions, like clearly their ingress and egress are marked or not, then wherever the pits and wherever the cutout openings are there, that has been hard barricaded or soft barricaded, that you have to check. Speed limit board inside the site wherever the vehicles are moving, and then information boards you have to check. So these are the examples I told. Again, you check what is the applicable to you, and you please prepare, please initiate these engineering measures, engineering initiatives. This is the first priority which I recommend during the celebration of National Safety Week. It could extend the time beyond the safety week, it could go for 15 days also, no problem. But this is a very root cause we have to eliminate from your side. Friends, next category is non-engineering measures. In non-engineering measures, first part is education. We have to educate the site peoples on personal protective equipment. Then next, hazards. Educate on top 10 site hazards. Then next, training and competency building program. As far as concerned to the training and competency building program, we have to conduct a training on safety management system for the staff. Then again proceed for the specific trainings. Which are the specific trainings? Excavation safety, trench cutting safety, height work, scaffolding, slip trip, emergency response plan, and conduct mock drills. In emergency response plan, this time safety theme is related with the emergency response plan. So as far as concerned to the natural disaster or natural emergency, how to mitigate, that kind of mock drill if you can conduct, that will be the best. Then next is electrical safety, then collapse of structure. These all trainings we have to conduct for all staff as well as for workmen. The next, that is mass TBT, mass toolbox talk or on-job training, which are related with your standard operating procedure for your site specific activities. Then very most important program we can conduct, that is mass hazard and identification campaign, where we have to involve for all staff as well as workmen. They have to move in your site and they have to identify the hazards, and they can collect the hazards. We will get a quantum of hazards and we will eliminate it. Definitely your site is going to be very safe. The next, administrative control. Administrative control, as far as concerned to the administrative control, you know your system is in place, like work permits, then checklists, inspections, a lot of inspections at your sites, audits and their compliances, changing shift timings. If some people who are more exposing to the gas cutting, welding, so these people has to change administratively with their timings. So this thing, then displaying of risk assessment and standard operating sheets at all project locations, that we can ensure in this administrative control. The next is free health checkup camp we can conduct at site. We have to identify the people who are suffering with the occupational health hazards. We have to ensure their medical treatment. Again, they have to come back for the site. Then next, we have to prepare one passbook which is related with your site specific activities, and we can prepare it in their local language as well as in English language, and we can provide this to all your workmen, staff, to get update with the latest kind of technical things. The next, statutory requirements. Here we have to consider whatever the legal requirements is applicable to your site, or statutory requirement is actually applicable to your site, that all legal and statutory requirements you have to see the compliance status, and wherever it is not complied, that you have to highlight to the management if you need to get the support from the management and get it complied. So this is all covered in the non-engineering initiatives. The next third category is awareness campaign. To create the awareness at your site on National Safety Week, we have to display National Safety Week 2021 and its theme banners to your entire work location, work site and in your office also. Then next, we have to conduct pictorial workshop on standard operating procedure and personal protective equipments in your site. The next one, conduct safety pledge and distribute the safety badges to all your staff and workmen. Then fourth one, we have to ensure a safety first concept in your site, where it includes commitment of start every work with the safety first concept, like presenting management message on safety to all peoples, where you can include a small video from your management. Then good morning safety. In every program you have to start with the good morning safety. So this is the one of the safety first concept. Then showing in every slide, every presentation, there should be first slide of a safety concept. Then next one, enforcement. Here enforcement is not a kind of negative enforcement. Here only positive enforcement. This we can create with the motivational programs, like conducting with the different quiz competitions, then slogan, then poster, essays. One of the chalte competition, where you can take one mic, you can move entire work location to include your workforce, where the laborers, workmen and staff will be there. You can ask the question and there itself you can reward them. And then finally, you can consider in awareness campaign the innovation in design safety in entire year. If some of the person, some of the workmen, he has some innovative design kind of thing he has given in the safety field, definitely you have to motivate them. These will consider in awareness campaign. Then fourth major category is social activities. Here you can consider a CSR activities even. Here you can conduct blood donation camp, and there you can display your National Safety Week 2021 banner also. Then second one, to spread the awareness in community, you have to conduct the CSR activity, where you can consider school toilet maintenance, coloring, then bicycle donation, school bag distribution, sewing machine to the widows who are below poverty line and give them a training from a trainer and let them earn on daily basis. The next, find out the autism kids and provide them hearing equipment. So this is what the fourth activity. And then the last major category part, and it is very important, are rewards and recognition. So rewards and recognition, every person who has participated in entire activities, who has earned and who is eligible, you have identified during their competitions, give them rewards, recognize to all the contractors with the certificates, give some shawl and like kind of things, and finally you close your National Safety Week program. Since week is not the limited for the National Safety Week, the entire year is the safety concept has to be applicable, but for time being we have to ensure the de-hoisting of the national safety flag and close the program. Thank you so much, and please enjoy this festival. Thank you.